So when we go out and get in our car, we take risks, right? We know that. And we buy insurance, and we have mandatory insurance here in Colorado. But there are a lot of people who get on our roads who don't have insurance. And sometimes it's the most reckless of drivers who are running around with no insurance. One of the key things to understand when you're out there with your family is the existence of what's called uninsured motorist coverage. This is what I call your safety net coverage. Very important, because it protects you in the event that you are harmed or hurt by somebody who doesn't have any insurance or they don't have enough insurance. And this coverage, if you look on your policy declarations page on your insurance policy, you'll look down and it'll say uninsured/underinsured, or it'll say UM coverage. Look over at the premium. It's one of the cheapest premiums that you can purchase on your policy. In Colorado, at-fault drivers, well, any driver, the minimum required insurance, if they have insurance, is only $25,000 of coverage per person. Well, that's not a whole lot. So if they have zero, that at-fault driver is uninsured. So it starts from zero and goes up to whatever your limits are. If that driver has the minimum limits, is $25,000 of liability coverage, now it's underinsured because they don't have enough insurance to cover your injuries. If your injuries are worth more than $25,000, then whatever you've purchased in underinsured coverage stacks on top up to your available policy limits. How much can you buy? You can buy $25,000 of coverage. You can buy $50,000 of coverage, $100,000, $300,000, $500,000, $1 million, and it's critical coverage to have. And under Colorado law, it must be on your policy unless you have specifically signed a waiver signing away your rights to have it. So sometimes people will call me up and they'll say, I don't see it on my deck page, but I don't ever remember rejecting it. We ask the insurance company, your insurance company, to produce your signature on a piece of paper waiving that coverage. And guess what? If they can't produce that, they owe you the coverage. That's the law in Colorado.